Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Keeping Up with Dottie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For my subscribers, thank you so much for keeping it here. And for the new subscribers, asante sana for hitting that subscribe button. Karibuni sana guys. So today we are doing the cereals restock. Today we are restocking our cereals. So tushabai ndio hizo hapo. Nimebai mudhokoi, nimebai inaitwa western dengu, yeah, the special dengu. Nimebai samjugu, nimebai kuna minji hapo. Yes, so I want us to do some githeri and then tuchemshe hizo zingine kando, ndio tutazitumia kukula na rice chapo, yeah, hivyo. So let's do this guys, tuzichemshe. We are starting with the mudhokoi, then I'll go in with the yellow beans, yeah. Ndio hizo hapo nishaziosha tayari, so nataka kuzieka. And then there is another hack nilionyeshwa. So because from these yellow beans nataka ni mix na the mudhokoi, and then I want the plain yellow beans. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Like, so nataka githeri kando, and then I want some yellow beans kando. And because I don't want to boil mara mbili, so nitamix hizi. And then mnaona hizo zenye nimefunga kwa shopping bags ni some yellow beans, so nitadip tu kwa hii sufuria. Yeah, the same sufuria that we are using to boil the githeri. So tutaweka ndani. Pia mimi nilionyeshwa, sikuwa najua inaweza fanyika hivyo. So yeah, let's do it guys. From this sufuria tutakuwa tumeivisha githeri, and at the same time the yellow beans, yeah, separately imeiva pia, so that we can store. Tukitaka kukula na rice, tukitaka kukula chapombosho, we are good to go. So let's do it guys. Welcome so much, and I hope you enjoy this video. And so after githeri was ready, I decided to make some for supper. Ndio hiyo hapo. This is what we are going to take for our supper. So after imepoa, we had to do some packaging. I'm using those Ziploc bags. So we are starting packing the githeri, and then followed by the mboshos, alafu hizo zingine though hazijaiva, so zingine will do it off camera. Yeah, because the video will be so long tukingojea juu bado hazijaiva ndo zinaendelea kuiva huko nje. So let's pack these ones, the ones that are ready na zishapoa. are done with these ones and they are ready to be kept in the fridge. Yes, ready to be consumed. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please subscribe.